how to enable HDR mode in your Android device. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can enable HDR in your Android device if it supports any. So in order to enable the HDR, the first thing that you will need to do is simply go to the settings of your mobile device, and once you are inside the settings you will need to scroll down until you see this option that says display and brightness. So simply click onto this display and brightness option, and under here you need to scroll down and you will find this option that says bright HDR video mode. So since my device supports bright HDR video mode, it is present right here. What this particularly does is that it increases screen brightness when playing HDR videos, although this will consume more power and cause your phone to heat up. So in order to enable this, simply click onto this toggle, and now you can see that bright HDR video mode has been successfully enabled in my Android device. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.